Take 6 lengths of string, approximately 30 centimetres in length each. Group them in pairs lengthways on a piece of scrap paper. Coat the pairs of string approximately halfway with paint, leaving some string free at the end to grab hold of. Spread an amount of white paint over your board using the palette knife. Lay down the string in the centre of the board in a slight curve. Slowly pull the string upwards on the board and slightly to the side to form the first half of your feather shape. As you reach the top, pull the string around in a little circle to form the rounded end of the feather. Place the second corresponding coloured string on the board and repeat the technique to finish off the feather. Whilst wet, repeat the process either side of your design and enjoy the artwork that you've just created.